Fresh juice at home sounds great, until the prep, noise, and cleanup slow you down. In this video, we're breaking down 3 cold-press juicers that handle things differently, so you can see which one really fits your daily routine.
Number 1. Nama J2 Cold Press Juicer. If your mornings feel rushed, this is the kind of juicer that quietly fits into your routine. The self-feeding hopper lets you load a full mix of fruits and vegetables at once, so you're not stuck standing there feeding pieces one by one. It's useful for busy people, parents, or anyone trying to build a daily juice habit without extra effort. The slow 50 RPM motor keeps things quiet, which helps if you're making juice early in the day. It also handles leafy greens well, squeezing out more juice with less leftover pulp compared to fast juicers. Cleanup is another area where it makes sense. Parts come apart quickly, and there's a brush included, so you're not dealing with a long wash-up. If you want something that works in the background while you handle other kitchen tasks, this one feels practical and easy to live with long-term.
Number 2. Hurom H400 Cold Press Juicer Machine. A common issue with juicers is the mess and time they take to clean. This model tackles that directly. Instead of a traditional metal strainer that clogs up, it uses a strainer-free chamber design, which means you don't have to scrub out stuck pulp after every use. Another problem people run into is juice that separates or loses freshness quickly. Here, the slow squeeze technology reduces oxidation, so the juice stays fresh longer and keeps a smoother texture with very low pulp. Noise can also be a concern, especially in shared homes. This one runs quietly, making it easier to use early in the morning without waking everyone up. It also cuts down prep time. The wide hopper lets you add larger pieces, and the self-feeding system keeps things moving without constant attention. If you've avoided juicing because of cleanup or effort, this model clearly tries to remove those pain points.
Number 3. EO Norris Juicer Machines. This one stands out for what you get compared to the price. It's not just a basic juicer. You can make juice, nut milk, and even frozen fruit sorbet using the included strainers, which adds more use beyond daily drinks. The 6.5-inch wide chute is a real time saver. You can drop in whole fruits like apples without much cutting, which makes it easier to use regularly. On top of that, the 100-ounce hopper is larger than most, so it works well for families or anyone doing batch prep. The AC motor has enough power to handle tougher ingredients like carrots or fibrous greens, while still staying relatively quiet. Features like auto reverse and overheat protection also help with reliability. For the price range, you're getting solid capacity, multiple functions, and easy cleaning with dishwasher-safe parts, which makes it a practical choice if you want more flexibility without spending too much.
So those were 3 solid options, each with its own strengths, from hands-free use to easy cleaning and multi-purpose value. If one stands out overall, the Nama J2 feels like the most practical pick for daily use. Check the links below to see current prices and pick what suits you best.